Truly. You mean the thing on top of the car?
Yeah.
Oh, why? What is that going to help anything?
Yeah.
How much does a Truly cost?
I don't know. You can get them over at the Walmart, whatever. Then instead of spending money each time,
Ship things.
just
But it cuts down what you're able to do driving, and it costs you lots more gas. Right? Wrong?
not really. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Good one, huh?
You should do a movie picture when it goes like this. Oh, shakes its head.
Yeah. You inspect it?